This simple video will show you how to route incoming calls differently depending on the time of day or the day of the week. An example of when this could be used is if you route incoming calls to a different destination on, say, a Saturday. To do this, all you need to do is go to Routing at the top of the portal and then Routing Plans on the left. Then select the routing plan you want to work on. To learn how to set up a basic routing plan, you can watch the Create and Activate an Interactive Call Plan video. We're going to work with Routing Plan 5. Once you've clicked on it, you'll then be in the Call Builder. So what we need to do first is right-click on the icon, and we're going to replace it with the time icon. Click on the time icon, and then that will open the properties box at the bottom left of the screen. In the Settings tab, click on the drop down next to Settings for Exit. This will give you the option to create a maximum of 10 different time and day settings for that one icon. We haven't done one yet, so we're just going to select number 1, and then we'll click on the day and time option. Then what we need to do is simply click on the plus button, and now what we're going to do is create an option within the icon for incoming calls on a Monday to Friday from 9 to 5. So in order to do that, we're going to click on Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday and Friday, and all we have to do here is change the until section from 1800 to 1700. Now what we need to do is go to the Exits tab, and we're going to label that exit. So in order to do that, we'll click on exit number 1, and we're going to keep it simple and call it Monday to Friday. Then all you have to do is click on the apply button. When we go back to our call flow icons, we'll see that there's been some changes. So we can see now that we have an icon going to Monday to Friday and one going down here for the rest of the time. What we need to do now is give them both destination numbers. So we're going to start with the calls that route from 9 to 5 on Monday to Friday. So in order to do that, right click on the icon, we'll replace it with a destination icon. And then what we need to do is click on the icon, select mode in the properties box, select external phone number, go to the Settings tab. In here we're going to route all of our calls on Monday to Friday to this number. Click apply, and then any call that falls outside of that time period and those days, we're going to route to this number. So we need to change that to a destination icon, and then we'll do the same thing that we did with the other destination icon. We'll see that any calls on a Monday to Friday route over here, and the rest of the time they'll go to this destination number. Once we're happy with our call flow, all we need to do is click up here to apply those changes and save it. So that's it. That's how you can route calls based on the time of day or the day of the week.